Can you turn on auto scroll on Instagram Reels? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about either it is possible to enable the auto scroll on Instagram Reels or not. So now let's get started. So the auto scroll feature is available on TikTok and other social media platforms as well. Auto scroll on Instagram Reel, that allows you to scroll down to another reel without using your hands. So there is no such feature on Instagram that allows you to do this. But one thing you can do is if you see some video or some reel on Instagram continuously for a play next option will be visible after some time. And if you don't tap on it, Instagram will automatically scroll you down to another reel. But the official auto scroll feature is not available in Instagram right now, and we hope that will be introduced in the upcoming updates of Instagram. And you can follow my channel and I'll get you updated with this feature in the future. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.